Before digital audio ruled the world, music lived on magnetic tape. For decades, reel-to-reel tape machines represented the absolute peak of sound recording technology. These incredible machines captured the voices of legendary singers, the power of orchestras, the energy of rock bands, and the creativity of countless producers and engineers. Even today, many audiophiles and recording professionals believe that the warmth, depth, and realism of analog tape remain unmatched. From massive studio machines weighing hundreds of pounds to elegant home decks designed for serious music lovers, these are the top 7 greatest reel-to-reel tape decks of all time. Number 7. TEAC A3340S. In the early 1970s, recording music was still a privilege largely controlled by expensive professional studios, where advanced multi-track equipment was often beyond the reach of independent musicians and hobbyists. Then came the TEAC A3340S, a groundbreaking reel-to-reel tape machine that changed the way people created music. With its 4-track recording capability on quarter-inch tape, it brought professional-style recording techniques into homes, allowing musicians, producers, and creative enthusiasts to experiment with overdubbing, layering instruments, and building complete songs one track at a time. Instead of needing a large studio and costly equipment, artists could record a guitar part, rewind the tape, add vocals or keyboards, and gradually develop complex arrangements from their own rooms. The A3340S became one of the most influential machines in the history of home recording because it combined affordability, reliability, and impressive audio performance for its time. Featuring recording speeds of 7.5 and 15 inches per second, solid construction, and excellent sound quality, it delivered capabilities that were previously available only in professional environments. While it was not the most advanced tape recorder ever built, the TEAC A3340S played a historic role in democratizing music production. It helped inspire a generation of independent artists and laid the foundation for the modern home studio revolution that continues today. Number 6. Otari MX-5050. In the world of professional audio, reliability is just as important as sound quality. A tape machine may have impressive specifications, but if it cannot perform consistently through years of daily operation, it has little value in a demanding studio environment. This is where the Otari MX-5050 earned its legendary reputation as one of the toughest and most dependable reel-to-reel tape decks ever created. Designed for professional use, the MX-5050 became a trusted machine in radio stations, broadcast facilities, production studios, and mastering environments around the world. Engineers valued its accurate tape transport, excellent speed stability, clean audio reproduction, and practical design that allowed it to deliver consistent results session after session. Unlike some rare vintage machines that are admired mainly as collector pieces, the Otari MX-5050 remains a highly respected choice for users who want a professional reel-to-reel deck built for real-world operation. Its professional-grade transport system, support for multiple tape formats, and exceptional long-term durability made it a favorite among audio professionals who demanded performance without compromise. The MX-5050 represented the perfect balance between rugged construction and high-quality recording capability. It proved that a machine did not need to be the most expensive or complex to become legendary. It simply needed to deliver outstanding results every time. The Otari MX-5050 truly earned its title as the professional workhorse of reel-to-reel recording. Number 5. Nagra IV-S. When filmmakers, journalists, and sound engineers needed the highest possible audio quality in challenging field environments, one name stood above the rest: Nagra. The Nagra IV-S was a true masterpiece of engineering, combining exceptional performance with a compact and portable design that allowed professionals to capture studio-quality recordings almost anywhere. Developed in Switzerland, this legendary reel-to-reel recorder became a trusted tool for documentary filmmakers, broadcasters, and classical music recording specialists who demanded accuracy, reliability, and natural sound reproduction. Despite its small size, the Nagra IV-S delivered performance that rivaled much larger studio machines, thanks to its precision mechanical design, outstanding electronics, and carefully engineered tape transport system. Its legendary microphone preamps captured voices, instruments, and environmental sounds with remarkable clarity and realism. Over the years, countless historic interviews, documentaries, film soundtracks, and field recordings were preserved using Nagra equipment, making it an essential part of recording history. With its portable, professional design, extremely accurate tape handling, exceptional audio circuitry, and unmatched durability, the Nagra IV-S changed the way high-quality sound could be recorded outside traditional studios. It proved that professional excellence was not limited by size and that a carefully engineered portable machine could achieve extraordinary results. The Nagra IV-S remains a symbol of precision, craftsmanship, and innovation in the world of analog recording. Number 4. Revox B77. For many audio enthusiasts and collectors, the Revox B77 represents the perfect combination of professional engineering, elegant design, and exceptional home listening performance. Developed by Revox, the consumer division closely associated with the legendary Swiss manufacturer Studer, the B77 brought many qualities of professional studio equipment into homes around the world. Designed during the golden age of analog audio, it quickly became one of the most respected and beloved reel-to-reel tape decks ever produced. Its smooth operation, precise engineering, and outstanding reliability made it a favorite among serious music lovers who wanted the highest level of sound reproduction. The B77 was available in high-quality 2-track stereo configurations and offered impressive performance at both 7.5 and 15 inches per second tape speeds. Its carefully designed tape transport system ensured accurate handling, stable playback, and excellent audio consistency. Even decades after its introduction, many Revox B77 machines remain in daily use because of their exceptional construction, serviceability, and long-term durability. More than just a piece of audio equipment, the B77 represents a time when craftsmanship and engineering excellence defined the listening experience. With its timeless appearance and legendary sonic performance, the Revox B77 has earned its place as a true icon of the analog era and continues to inspire audiophiles who appreciate the warmth and character of reel-to-reel sound. Number 3. Technics RS-1500 series. When discussing the greatest consumer reel-to-reel tape decks ever created, the Technics RS-1500 series is always considered one of the most remarkable achievements of the analog era. Released during the peak of reel-to-reel technology, this legendary machine combined advanced engineering, beautiful design, and outstanding audio performance to deliver a listening experience that rivaled many professional studio systems. One of its most impressive features was the direct drive transport mechanism, which provided exceptional speed accuracy, smooth operation, and remarkable stability during playback. This precision engineering allowed home listeners to experience a level of performance that was previously available only in professional recording environments. The RS-1500 was designed with a professional-inspired approach, featuring high-quality components, excellent tape handling, and carefully engineered electronics that produced detailed and natural sound reproduction. Its low wow and flutter performance, premium tape heads, and audiophile-level playback capabilities made it a favorite among serious music enthusiasts and collectors. Even today, vintage audio fans continue to search for the Technics RS-1500 because of its legendary reliability, impressive sonic quality, and timeless appearance. More than just a consumer tape deck, the RS-1500 represented the moment when home audio technology reached professional standards. It proved that a carefully designed home machine could compete with studio equipment and remains one of the finest examples of analog audio engineering ever produced. Number 2. Ampex ATR-102. Few reel-to-reel machines have achieved the legendary reputation of the Ampex ATR-102, a recorder widely regarded as one of the finest analog mastering machines ever created. Designed for the highest levels of professional audio production, the ATR-102 represented decades of Ampex engineering expertise and innovation, combining precision mechanics with exceptional sound performance. Unlike ordinary tape recorders, the ATR-102 was built as a highly specialized instrument designed to preserve and reproduce the final details of musical masterpieces with extraordinary accuracy. In professional mastering studios, where every subtle aspect of a recording matters, the machine became a trusted choice for engineers who demanded the highest possible performance. Its incredibly accurate tape transport system, outstanding stability, and superior playback quality allowed it to deliver a level of clarity and consistency that few other machines could match. The ATR-102 was engineered for critical applications such as mastering, archival playback, and high-end analog restoration, making it an essential tool in many of the world's leading studios. Its professional mastering design, precise tape handling, and legendary sonic character helped define the final era of analog tape excellence. Even today, the Ampex ATR-102 remains highly respected among audio professionals and collectors, representing the ultimate combination of engineering precision and musical preservation. It stands as a symbol of analog tape perfection and the remarkable craftsmanship of the golden age of recording technology. Number 1. Studer A80. At the top of the list stands a machine that truly defined professional recording for generations, the Studer A80. Introduced in the 1970s, this legendary reel-to-reel tape machine quickly became one of the most respected and influential recorders in audio history. Built in Switzerland with a focus on precision, reliability, and engineering excellence, the A80% earned the trust of recording engineers around the world. It was used in countless professional studios, mastering facilities, and broadcast environments because it delivered exceptional accuracy and consistent performance during every recording session. Available in multiple configurations, including stereo mastering versions and large multitrack formats, the Studer A80% could handle a wide range of professional recording applications. Its precision tape transport system, outstanding electronic design, and legendary build quality made it a benchmark by which other analog machines were measured. Engineers valued the A80 not only for its impressive technical specifications, but also for its ability to faithfully capture the emotion, detail, and depth of musical performances. Even decades after its introduction, many professionals and collectors continue to regard the Studer A80 as one of the finest reel-to-reel tape machines ever created. More than just a piece of recording equipment, the A80 became a true musical instrument, one that helped shape the sound of countless albums and played a vital role in creating recording history. Although digital technology has transformed the music industry, reel-to-reel tape continues to inspire musicians, engineers, and collectors. These machines represent a time when audio equipment was built with precision, craftsmanship, and a commitment to capturing every detail of sound. Whether it is the professional power of the Studer A80, the audiophile beauty of the Technics RS-1500, or the timeless reliability of the Revox B77, these legendary machines remain symbols of the golden age of analog recording. The reels may still turn slowly, but their legacy continues to play on.